Things I did wrong while dating in my early 20s. Part 4. Use apps like Iris that actually verifies that you're talking to the person that you think you're talking to. I feel so stupid thinking about it now, but I used to be duped by people that were pretending to be others. Like, if someone looks too good to be true on a dating profile, most likely is too good to be true. Like, on a dating profile, it would be like a beautiful person. Like, they could totally be a model. And then I'll be like, oh my god, I matched with such an attractive person. We'll be chatting with each other on the dating app. And like every time I mentioned meeting up or just hopping on like a FaceTime or a video call, they always dodged it. I didn't think too much about it, but as it happened more and more, I was like, what are they trying to avoid? I know it's not great to think about, but there are people on dating apps pretending to be these other people. If you're actively dating or using dating apps, I would recommend using a platform like Iris. Iris actually verifies your pictures with a selfie that you have to take while making your profile. So for example, when I was trying the app and when I was trying to make a dating profile, they did pending verification for my photos because they wanted to make sure that my selfie matched the person in those photos. I think it only takes like a couple of minutes, which isn't too bad. Because think about it, you avoid the potential of someone being a fake person.